Alright, as always, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes. In this case, it's probably been a couple of months. And then spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. So this is going to be an ice dye and a liquid dye, doing something I've been thinking about for a bit, seeing what would actually happen. It's just going to start as a spiral, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to spread this out like I normally would for a spiral. And just pick a center point. And kind of touch it up as I go. Let's see, add another right there. Or not, it doesn't want to. There. Put it there. Open the sleeve up a bit more. Let's go ahead and pull this up. There we go. That touched itself up pretty good. So one last sleeve. That one wasn't laid out very flat. Alright, let's pull two spots there. Alright. So we've got this. I'm going to try and tighten this one up a bit. Alright, instead of doing what I normally do on a spiral, I'm going to take sinew and this first one's going to be a little less than fun to try and get the sinew around. There we go. And it's still not tight enough. Just try 2 more loops and then give this a pull. Alright. And try to touch that up a little. Let's see what I'm working with here. Let's go out a couple of inches. Yeah, let's go 2.5. That works out about right. Now I'm looking at it. It may not quite be right. Let's go 2. Yeah. So I'm going to do the inside line of each side. Go ahead and do this. Man, I got my thumb stuck. Okay. I probably could have caught that if I would have tried, but we'll catch it some other way. So let's do this side. tight. And once that's done, I'm going to do a diagonal right and catch it right here in the corner again. And pull that tight as well. Do at least one or two more to make sure, since that's the last one. Alright. So I'll cut that. And then I'll just find a rubber band to loosely hold that in place so that it doesn't flop around. Like so. Alright, time to dye. Alright, for this we're just doing primary colors: Chinese red, lemon yellow, and then turquoise, which is mixed up as a liquid. So let's go ahead and start this. Alright, we'll let that sit until it melts through, and then we'll do the next side. And yes, before you ask, I haven't used the blue yet. So that's for the second side. So let's let this melt. Alright, this is melted through, so I'm going to lift it up a little bit and put a piece of foil under it. Pull this up the sides just a little bit, and then pull the cardboard off. And pull off any extra ice that's just sitting there. A little piece, I'll leave it. And I'm just going to make a boat out of the aluminum foil. Really as close as possible to the fabric, except for a place to be able to pour the liquid for the next step. So that should be good like that. And for the pour, I'm going to use turquoise. So I have a spot here and a spot here, here, whatever really works. So I'm going to turn this a little and pour it right here, just because that's the center. And I'm going to pour it up about halfway or so, give or take. Alright, like that. And I'll just let this sit for 18 to 24 hours, and then we'll do the washout, see what it looks like. It's been over 24 hours, so let's do the washout. take a look. So I'll throw this in the washer, and then we'll take a final look.